In this video, I'm going to share my recommendation with you for the best acoustic guitar that you can buy for a beginner in 2020. I'm Lydia Walker from rusticsongbird.com, and I've been playing acoustic guitar for over 15 years. I love to play, and I get this question from people a lot about what's a good guitar to get started on, something that's not very expensive but is also good quality, and something that's great for kids to learn on, or something to make a small investment into music but they don't want it to be a piece of junk, right? So if that's you and you have that question, if you're wanting to learn guitar or you're looking to buy a guitar for your child or for a friend or someone that you know that wants to learn guitar, this is my recommendation for a guitar to get started with. Now, I've made other videos about my guitar. This is my dream guitar and I love playing this Taylor 314, but it is pricey and I saved up for a while to get this guitar. But before this guitar, I played several different kinds, and I used to go to the music store and I would play all the different brands of guitars and try them out to see the different sounds. And I've played different friends' guitars and they have different brands than I do. And so from that experience of playing different guitars of different price ranges, the one that I would recommend for a beginner in 2020 is the Jasmine guitar by Takamine. And I played a Jasmine by Takamine for about 7 years before I bought this guitar and before I upgraded to a Taylor. And you can get a new Jasmine Takamine guitar for around $100 or just under $100 on Amazon. I'm gonna link it below in the description so you can see the full specs of this guitar. You can see all the ratings, the reviews, and you can see what the current prices are. Amazon prices do fluctuate a little bit, so sometimes you can get a better deal. Currently it's just under $100, and I think the sound quality and the tone of this guitar is great for beginners. Now, the one that I would tell you not to ever buy for a beginner is a First Act brand guitar, because that's basically an expensive toy. It is almost impossible to tune that guitar and it's just not good quality. So if you want an actual guitar for a beginner that sounds good, that is easy to tune and stays in tune, I recommend the Jasmine by Takamine to get started. If you don't have a lot of money to put in towards this, or you want to try it out and just get a good quality beginner guitar, I recommend the Jasmine by Takamine. Now, I started off with a Hohner guitar, H-O-H-N-E-R, and it was a great sound. I got it from a friend of mine and I played it for a while, but it didn't plug in. And so one thing that I like about the Jasmine Takamine that I played was that it did have a pickup system where I could plug it into a sound system, and so that was an upgrade. And then eventually I sold that guitar and got the Taylor 314 that I now play, and I've played for over 5 years. You can check out my review of this guitar on my channel as well, and I talk more about my experience getting this one. But I am thinking back to where I first started playing guitar, and I just needed something that was a good quality sound that would stay in tune, and that where the strings wouldn't break all the time, and where the wood would be a good quality sound and it would make you want to play it more, right? If it sounds good. So for a beginner, if you are learning or someone that you love is learning and you want to invest in a guitar for them, I think the $100 range is a good starting point, because then if you pick it up and you start playing and you really enjoy it, then you can invest into a more expensive guitar or a fancier guitar later on. Like, get fancy later, but to just get started, I would recommend around $100. Now, if you want to look around online, there are used guitars at music stores, or there are also used guitars on Facebook Marketplace, where you can maybe get a better deal on a used guitar. But for a new beginner guitar, the Jasmine by Takamine is always my recommendation because of great quality and because it's a good price range to get started. So again, to check out that link on Amazon, you can check out the description for the link to that Jasmine Takamine guitar. I'm also going to link below some of the top guitar accessories that I use, like the type of tuner and capo and just the strings that I use, because those are good quality brands, and if you're looking to get started with guitar, you need the right accessories. And so I've linked all the products that I use and that I love below to help you get started. And also, I would love to hear your questions about learning guitar, because I know for me, I like to learn on my own and get the song right before I played it for anyone. And so I liked having someone to ask questions to, and so I want to be that for you. I would love to make more videos about playing guitar and answering your questions about guitar, so leave it in the comments, let me know. Also, I want to invite you to subscribe to this channel if you are learning to play guitar and you're looking for more chord tutorials and question and answer. I would love for you to stick around and be a part of the subscriber family. So hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, let me know your guitar questions and what you'd like to hear about in future videos. I'm super excited for you if you're getting started with guitar. I love to play, and it has been such a fun outlet for me to make music, and I write songs, and I want to inspire more people to do the same because it's been such a blessing in my life. Thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.